Greetings and welcome back to Drew's Office. When we're on the Insert tab and click on Get Add-ins, we can search and scroll through the vast catalogue of add-ins for Microsoft Excel. And this little add-in has been around for a while, the mini calendar and date picker. Let's take a look. This first little button will change the size of the calendar window. The second button allows us to change the theme color. The next button, we could change the calendar location or region. Toggle the week numbers on or off from this button. If we have dates already in our worksheet, we can select the range and they'll get highlighted in the calendar. We can insert the current time from this button here. Insert some dates from this button here. And if we expand this little panel, click on Get Support, we can see that this Excel add-in is supplied by Vertex 42. Back inside our worksheet, click on Get Add-ins and let's check out another one. So here's a nice little add-in, and this will allow us to embed a video in our spreadsheet. Resize this box, paste the video link in here. And if we want to change the video URL to something else, unfortunately, we need to delete this video first. Relaunch the add-in and paste in the new URL. And when we choose Get Support, we see that this lovely little add-in is supplied by michaelsaunders.com. If we're looking for a particular type of add-in, we can use the search box. The AbleBits text toolkit has got maximum stars. Let's check it out. Drag the panel over here. In these three cells, we need to add the word America. We could achieve the same results by building formulas, but this little toolkit makes it really easy. Click this button here, drag our mouse across our range. We want to add a space and America. We want to add it at the end of each cell. And click on Add Text. And if we make a mistake, we can click the Restore button. If we want to extract the currency code for each country, that be the last 3 characters in each cell, we also want to extract the name for each country. That will be the characters before the first comma in each cell. And we want to extract all the text before the first comma. tick this box to insert a formula. Boom. This is good. And when we check the formula bar, we see this lovely nested formula. We can also swap the text around. For example, if we want this cell to say Kingston, Jamaica, the two words are separated by a comma, and the comma only occurs once. Click the green button. And to be honest, we could select the entire range and swap them all at once. If we want to split these cells across the adjacent cells, select the range, split the text wherever there's a comma, Suppose we don't want any additional columns. In fact, we don't want to split the text at all. Perhaps we just want to remove everything after the comma. We can remove text by position, drag our mouse across our range. We want to remove all the text after the comma. And if we click on Get Support, this Excel add-in is supplied by ablebits.com. I'll catch you on the next video. Boom.